Alrighty guys, we'll go back to another daily adventure incense. How you doing? Hope all is well. Might as well just use it now. We got a balanced suite in the wild. How's your day going? Hope it's smooth. Stay blessed. Stay up. That's all I gotta say, man. Life is rough, yo. I'm in the process of moving. Man, I hate moving. But by the time y'all see this, hopefully I'll already be settled down at the new place. And it's not like it's gonna be an upgrade in my life. Nah, it's gonna be a downgrade, but trying to save money. Sometimes in life you just gotta do what you gotta do, man. When you have an opportunity, you just gotta take it. I don't even know. I was rambling. We got a wild young goose. No shiny. Lily pup off the daily. So let me catch y'all up to speed real quick on the series. We are trying to catch all three birds. Used the master ball to catch the Moltres. Seen Articuno many times, haven't caught it. And haven't seen Zapdos yet. So maybe today's the day. Boonery though on the daily. Boonery down. I am gonna chuck a ball of you, Meowth. That's 500 dust if I caught it. Lickitung off the daily. Alright, Lickitung down. We're gonna take a left here, and the objective is to at least get a little sort of kind of close enough to them Pokestops. Torchic. Woobat. In the wild. Makuhita. So I'm hoping tonight, maybe tonight's the night for Zapdos. You feel me? Okay, Makuhita. Yo. Okay, here we go. 12K is the worst eggs. Sorry. Not sorry. I will check this stat here. Appraise. Okay. Yo, wait a minute. 96. Tag that. Still the worst eggs. I'm sorry. Oh, boy. Get out of there. What are you doing in there? Makuhita in the wild. Swirlix. I need this one shiny. Need you shiny, buddy. Alright, I'm hoping this street we could at least reach the two past this first one right here. But we got a Slowpoke. Was this Slowpoke off the daily? Shiny check here though. I really want this one shiny. I'm gonna check the other one in a second. Let me check another daily. Something spawn in? No? Okay, I'm gonna check this real quick. Shiny check. I really want this one shiny, man. Phanpy. Don't have this one shiny either. I feel like I need a bunch, man. I don't get blessed that much. Glameow in the wild. No shine. I do have that one shiny though. Deerling off the daily. These can't be shiny yet. Be interesting to see how they do it because there's so many variants of it. Yeah, it's being feisty. Yeah, y'all saw that. Alright, fourth time, yo. This is the fourth ball. Alright, I may or may not have taken 5 Pokeballs. It is what it is. Stay tuned to the end. We'll check some stats. Wild Carnivine? Yeah, Wild Carnivine. How you doing, buddy? Ooh, Vulpix. Off the daily. What do I gotta do here? Hatch an egg. Hatch 2 eggs. Oh, my Pokemon, what am I doing? Go here. Yeah, I'm out of my mind. Zero. Okay, it is. Only 2.5. Okay. We still got half distance on the eggs. So if I go this way, it's kind of like busy roads, so I'm just gonna go this way. Stay in the neighborhood. We got Plusle though. Wild Woobat. Negative. What we got? Lillipup. Alright, let me shout out last video if you haven't seen it. Go check it out. I got 3 shinies in one video when I popped my daily. It was Cyndaquil Calm Day, so I'm like, you know what, let me use my daily adventure on Calm Day. Got a couple off the Incent. I think 2 in the wild. Yeah, it was a good little daily. Check out last video. We got a Torchic though. Yay. We're getting somewhere. We're gonna get a Moltres. If Torchic will stay in the ball. Alright, 6 minutes left. Bless me with a bird. Please. Well, it's definitely not a bird. Can I get an excellent? Hold on. It jumped, it threw me off. Yeah. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Man, you know what I forgot to do? Let me just brag real quick on these Cyndaquils. QUIL. And shiny. You feel me? I ain't do too bad. And I only had like a 2 or 3 from the first Calm Day, so I never evolved any for Calm. These are the old ones. Just have to flex that real quick. We got a Paris. Alright, easy 500 dust. Easiest 500 dust in my life. Okay. If it'll stay in the Pokeball. 500 dust. Okay, it wasn't weather boosted. 500 dust though. Wild Centret. Geodude. Off the daily. Yo, I'm thinking pretty good pace for how many I've caught so far. I'm gonna say around like 20. Maybe 25. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll check stats at the end. Show my XP. I say it at the end of every video. I'm grinding to level 50. I'm getting so close. Where's my spawn at? A Blitzel. Speechless. Got it though. We got it. Just under 3 minutes to go. We got our Mewtwo out at least. Hey, what's up, buddy? Yeah. Next spawn, please. Yes, Andrew. That's great. Whew. Also, spoiler alert if you haven't seen the previous episodes, but I'm on another dry spell. Of course, the last one I seen was an Articuno. I got 2 minutes left, yo. 2 minutes left. Wild Numble. But it's like, it's just weird. Caught the Moltres with the Master Ball. Haven't seen it since, I don't think. And oh, wow, Wild Phantom. This would have been such a pretty shiny. But I don't know, man, my game is like not like in Zapdos right now. Alright, Phantom. Phantom went down, now we got a Skitty. Skitty went down pretty fast. We're about to be in countdown mode. 45 seconds left to go. If you've stayed this far into the episode, hit that like button. It'll definitely help me out. Subscribe. I try not to say it too much. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Vent on that. Alright, venting that down. And looking like our last one is going to be a cricket tot. Alright, good old cricket tot. How much y'all thinking? You ain't gotta go to the comments and type it in, just in your head right now. I'm gonna say for today's adventure 21. 21. Alright, come on, cricket tot. Alright, let's see it. 18. Okay. Highlight would have to be the Phantom. Yeah, the Phantom. 18 Pokemon caught. 1,221 meters. Yeah, I was walking on this one. Shiny check real quick. No. Check a ball. Let me check stats real quick. No zeros. No hundos, but I just want to show this off real quick. Me and my boy were trading today, and yeah. Alright, enough of that. Just had to show it off. Shiny check. On Lunatone. Great throw. Shiny check. Alright, let me show you all my XP. 22,372,000 XP. So close to 49. Grinding to level 50. Hope you guys are enjoying so far on my adventure. Like and subscribe for more though. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. We're being recorded right now. Did y'all hear that? Someone's door alarm. Alright, Mewtwo, what you got? Peace.